Okay, today we have an LG washer dryer in one unit. The client complaint was that the unit is not draining and it was water inside when we arrived. And when we pulled the filter to check what's going on with the drain pump, we found that it's all full of lint. Now, because this unit has a dryer option, the unit built up with the lint, and the drain pump works way harder than like the normal washer, just standalone washer machine. And of course, because of the lint, it's always will accumulate in the filter. So the highly recommended is to clean every month the filter. Worst case, if you forget, it has to be done every 4 to 6 months. Otherwise, this is the result. So we will gonna clean it, test the machine. We'll show the client how to do it, and yeah, we'll hope that next time they will be able to do it themselves. And if no, we can always come and take care of it for them. And here we are on the diagnostic one. It's draining